Today we're going to take a look at the Godox V1S. This is for the Sony model. Let's see exactly what comes in the box. All right, so starting out, we start off with this quality pass, letting us know that this passed their requirements to be sold. We got a few more manuals. Don't eat these. Okay, so the first thing we got here is the cradle, and this is going to be used for charging your battery. Very light, but it looks like it's very, very well made. So put that off to the side here. Then we have our battery brick. We have a USB-C. Okay, so here's our battery. And as you can see, it just fits right into the cradle. And that's how you would charge it. And here's our flash. Let's get rid of this box real quick. Okay, so here's our flash. Really nice case. Now this one, the head will rotate. So for you photographers who do a lot of bounce photography, this is going to come in really, really handy. And then you have your normal 90-degree angle, and then about 45-degree angle back. And like I said, this is a really nice case. You can pull loose, release the Velcro, and it makes it really quick to get it on and off of your backpack. And underneath here is one more item. This is a cold shoe stand with the traditional mount for a tripod or for a light stand. So that's pretty much everything that's in the box. That's what you get, guys. Now, I've used these flashes before, and let me tell you, this is a very, very powerful flash. You will definitely enjoy using it. So hopefully this video has been helpful. See you guys in the next one. Take care.